Bye-bye buffering. TP-Link Deco XE75 Pro turns your Wi-Fi into warp speed wizardry. No dead zones, no drama. Welcome to the death of dead zones. The TP-Link Deco XE75 Pro is not your grandma's Wi-Fi, it's a Tri-Band WiFi 6E beast that shreds lag like old receipts. Covering a jaw-dropping 7,200 square feet, this 3-pack mesh system beams high-speed Wi-Fi into every nook, cranny, and suspicious basement corner of your home. Whether you're gaming, streaming 8K, or juggling Zoom calls and VR boxing at once, this system keeps the bandwidth flowing smoother than a jazz sax solo. And yes, it replaces both your router and extender. No Frankenstein network setups here. Just pure, AI-optimized signal domination. So what's the secret sauce? That's 6 GHz band. This brand new frequency kicks legacy device interference to the curb, giving your Wi-Fi 6E-enabled gadgets their own express lane. Think ultra-low latency, super stable backhaul, and zero competition from grandma's decade-old smart fridge. Add an AI-driven mesh that actually learns your network habits, where you walk, stream, scream at your team during game night, and optimizes performance like a personal assistant for your bandwidth. No more dropping bars when you walk upstairs. Wi-Fi that follows you? Now that's love. But wait, there's more, real ports for real speed. Each unit rocks a 2.5G multi-gig 1/LAN port and 2 gigabit LAN ports, perfect for hardwiring your beast mode PC, smart TV, or NAS setup. So go ahead, plug in. With speeds up to 5,400 megabits per second across tri-band channels, you'll feel the speed in your bones. Stream 8K like it's 720p, game like you're plugged into NASA, and transfer files faster than your buddy can say, "Wait, let me connect to the guest network." Don't worry, you can manage that too with the app. Let's talk security, setup, and savings. First, the TP-Link Home Shield Bouncer Squad keeps your network protected with parental controls, real-time threat scans, and device-level firewalls. Second, the Deco app setup is smoother than your barista's oat milk foam, just follow the friendly visuals. And third? You're saving money every month by ditching that rental router and getting faster speeds for less with multi-gig ISP plans. Why spend more and get less when Deco gives you top-shelf quality with no tech headaches? Compared to the competition, the Deco XE75 Pro is the Wi-Fi whisperer. It's durable, future-ready, and smarter than most internet users. You know the type. This isn't just about speed, it's about a Wi-Fi experience so seamless, you forget it's there. No more buffering. No more complaining teens. No more wasted time watching spinning wheels. Just pure, uninterrupted digital bliss in every square foot of your domain. Ready to upgrade your life? Good. Because your Wi-Fi is about to glow up.